For the users wishing to build an ultimate dream PC, there are a number of gorgeous PC cases available in the market, but they are not always the most affordable ones. So to help you find the perfect PC case, which is not astronomically pricey, we made a list of 5 best PC cases that you can get under $100 in 2020.
Techfluencer delivers a complete buying guide for tech enthusiasts. Here, we try our best to make you pick the best PC components, laptops, and other tech gadgets with brief technical information, pros and cons, ratings, and recommendations. Our tech expert team tests, reviews, and benchmarks thousands of products to come up with the list of the best and latest products, along with recommendations for the viewers. To know what is the best choice for you, watch the full video and check the description for the purchase links.
Starting at number 5, we have the Cooler Master MasterBox MB511 RGB, which is designed to look good and has great airflow without sacrificing any functionality. It comes with 3 pre-installed RGB fans to ensure excellent cooling efficiency and delivers gorgeous lighting effects, which can be controlled via the included RGB controller. It supports a total of 6 120mm fans and up to a 360mm radiator, and comes with plenty of drive bays for your storage needs. Dominating the front of the case, a polygonal mesh is intended to facilitate better airflow, along with dust filters on the top and bottom of the case. On top of the case, you'll find the I/O panel that includes 2 USB 3.2 ports and separate 3.5mm ports for audio input and output. With sleek design along with great airflow, the MB511 RGB will cool your components with style, and that's why it has been placed at number 5 on our list. If you are in the market for a new PC case that has a good airflow, acceptable aesthetics, and a subtle blend of RGB, then the Cooler Master MasterBox MB511 is a value for money option for you. At number 4, we have the Corsair iCUE 220T RGB Airflow. A great case that does not take up much space, offers good airflow, and looks great doing it. It features a tempered glass side panel and comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm RGB fans, so you can show off your hardware and any additional lighting you want to install. You can install up to 6 120mm fans or 140mm fans or up to a 360mm radiator to protect your components from the threat of overheating. Aside from an ATX motherboard, it supports full-size graphics card and has plenty of storage options to install your drives. The cover for this PSU allows you to hide the cables behind them, improving the internal airflow and giving you an unobstructed view of your components. At the top of the case, you will find 2 USB ports along with audio microphone combo jack for connectivity. For those who have a limited budget, the iCUE 220T RGB Airflow is the one that will serve the purpose for good airflow and aesthetics, and that's why it has taken the 4th spot on our list. Coming up at number 3, we have the PureBase 500DX from Be Quiet, that is designed to maximize airflow to your components with minimal noise. Visually striking features include ARGB lighting built into the front panel and inside the case, which can be viewed through the tempered glass side panel window. The PureBase 500DX's front panel also includes a headphone jack, a microphone jack, a USB Type-A port, and a USB Type-C port for connectivity. 3 140mm Pure Wings 2 fans are included with a 17.1 dB maximum noise level for each fan. The PureBase 500DX quietly maintains steady airflow to your computer's critical components. The case also supports up to 360mm radiator to liquid-cooled components. In addition, for having 7 expansion slots, there are 5 2.5-inch drive bays for compatible SSDs, and 2 3.5-inch bays are located in removable hard drive, and 2 3.5-inch bays are located in a removable hard drive cage into the bottom PSU shroud to help reduce vibrations and noise. The Be Quiet PureBase 500DX is optimized for high cooling performance and designed for those who are seeking high airflow, and that's why it has taken the 3rd spot on our list. Now at over number 2, we have the NZXT H510 that features a sleek and minimalistic design with plenty of helpful additions for a clean and easy build. It supports up to an ADX motherboard, 3 2.5-inch or 3.5-inch drives, and 3 dual-slot graphics cards. Aside from its signature cable management bar, it also has a PSU shroud and a built-in cable management system at the back. Whether you choose to liquid cool or not, the H510 supports up to 4 120mm fans or up to a 280mm radiator. Thanks to its tempered glass side panel, as you can show off your hardware along with any custom LED lighting. The H510 looks stunning and has an excellent value, making it the ideal case when you want a small footprint ATX case without sacrificing anything, and that's why it has taken the 2nd spot on our list. Finally, at number 1, we have the Lian Li LANCool 2. Enhance your computer built with style and ease using the LANCool 2 mid-tower case from Lian Li. Built for both experienced and beginner builders. This steel frame case features a toolless design with air intakes located on the front, top, and bottom sides, and can support up to 6 120mm fans or up to 360mm radiator for maximum cooling. The LANCool 2 has 7 full-size expansion slots with a drive cage that holds up to 3 storage drives. 4 2.5-inch drives can also be mounted across its 2 removable trays. In addition, it has 2 customizable RGB LED lighting strips on the front panel. Hinge-designed tempered glass panels on both sides of the case provide a full view of your system's internal components and lighting. Overall, taking the best position on our list, the LANCool 2 packs in so much for such a low price. It's easy to recommend, especially when you consider its flexibility. So that was all about the 5 best PC cases that you can get under $100 in 2020. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.